you invest 3,000 with a 7% APR compounded daily. Now, the first question says complete the equation P equals question mark times parentheses 1 plus question mark over question mark exponent question mark times T. So basically, what is being demanded here is that we want you to fill in the compound interest formula, right? Which has the balance is equal to the principal or the initial. Okay, so let me do principal 1 plus the rate, and the rate must be a decimal, okay, over the number of times compounded, okay, and then exponent the same number of times. I'm going to cut this short to be number of times compounded. Is that okay? And then multiplied by the time, and this time must be in years. So this is the formula that you're trying to fill in. So here, the amount you invested is your principal. So 1 plus the rate is 0.07. And how many times is this being compounded in a year? And this is being compounded daily. So 365 days in a year. And then exponent 365 multiplied by your T. So that's what you're supposed to do for the first part. Are you good? All right, now for the B part. Okay, so that is A. Let's go to B. Now for the B part, what you need to do is this function, this compound interest formula is in the continuous form. And we have been doing the continuous transformations. If you go back to some of the examples that we look at. So we are going to use the same formula to do that, okay? So we have to transform from this continuous form to the non-continuous form. So this is the continuous form, we have to get to that. And we have to use E exponent K is equal to 1 plus your R. Okay, what is your K? Your K is the rate, and the rate is 7%, which is 0.07. Okay, so let's do E exponent 0.07 is equal to 1 plus your R. So that and that's 0.07. You close your parentheses, and that gives you, let me do 4 places, 1.0725 is equal to 1 plus your R. Okay. If you want to find your R, you subtract 1 and subtract 1. So your R will be what? 0.0725 right there. So what do you have to do? So your P is equal to, the initial value is giving us 3,000, and 1 plus your R is 0.0725 right there. Okay, and that is your exponent T, and that is how you find that. Okay, there's another way to do this, but I feel this way is much simpler. Is that okay? Nice. Now, D is looking for the APY, and APY is the annual percentage yield. Okay, and that is just a matter of changing this to a percent by multiplying by 100, and that gives you 7.25%, and that is what you get there. Is that okay? All right, so that is how you do this problem. Any questions? Feel free to reach out and let me know if you have questions. All right, thank you. Good day.